Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located on Buena Vista Drive, Mandeville, is this two-story, six-bedroom, four-bathroom house that has graceful styling, classic appointments, and is a rewarding choice for the discriminating buyer. The lower floor has a double enclosed garage with an entrance into the kitchen and extend into the formal dining room and the formal living areas, which opens onto the front entrance. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, plus powder room, laundry room, and enclosed back veranda on the ground floor. The master suite has a high tray ceiling and affords the new owner the choice of flooring and the choice of fixtures for the master bathroom. 2 other bedrooms and another bathroom is on the first floor. The new owner will enjoy the ability to do the landscape of the grounds of this property. The land area of this house is approximately 10,617 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 45 million or US $292.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.